Hello guys, welcome to Data Hacks. In this video, I'm going to explain about middleware in Redux. Redux middleware allow you to intercept every action sent to the reducer. So you can make changes to the action or cancel the action. Middleware help you to log, generate error report, make a asynchronous request and lot more. The simple explanation for middleware is after dispatching action will reach to reducer, so we can intercept the action before reaching reducer and we can log the values, generate the error report and give the asynchronous API request. So we can make our custom feature using middleware. Let me explain with the practical demonstration. Here I have a simple Redux application. First of all, I'm going to call the middleware. Let's go to the create store. Here provide comma redux dot apply middleware. So here we have to give our middleware function. Till now we didn't create, but now let me create here. Create a variable called middleware action arrow function. First we have to get the store, next return, again provide one arrow function. Here we are going to get the next function. Again inside here I'm going to return one action console action. So you can see this middleware function is complex. We can reduce the complexity of this middleware function. Let me comment this and again let me create a new variable called constant middleware. Here first of all I'm going to provide store, next arrow function and we have to get the next function. Again this arrow value, again get the action here, action arrow value. Here I'm going to console the action and return. Again I'm going to return next action. So now we have the middleware function and provide this middleware function in this apply middleware. Let's open the terminal, debug console, run. Here you can see action creator, current state, action creator, current state, the updated values. In case if we didn't provide this next action inside the middleware, what will happen? This current state will not update. This is the reaction will have inside the redux, because this next will trigger the action in the reducer. So let's comment debug again. Wait for a second. You can see here the value is not updated, the console is not happened, because this action is not triggered in the reducer. If the action is triggered, then only this subscriber will listen to the action and console the values. Again uncomment and debug. Now we can see the updated current state in the terminal. You can see here the updated values. So this is how the middleware will work. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe the YouTube channel. You will get the updates regularly on time.